At 46 years old, paano ko daw na-maintain ang size small? And ito ang nag-work sa akin. Number one, I never skip breakfast. Bakit? Kasi nagtatrabaho, nag-exercise, nag-aalaga ng mga anak, and ayoko talaga na pagdating ng lunch, hungry na, no? Kasi I tend to overeat. So I make sure na ang aking breakfast is heavy, especially heavy with fiber and protein. Number two, I move daily but gently. Nasubukan ko kasi dati na hardcore talaga yung aking exercise, at ang naging effect sa akin is palagi akong nag-crave ng matamis, tapos pagdating ng hapon antok na ako. So right now, ang ginagawa ko is I move daily pero gently, meaning walking, pilates, and yoga. Yun yung nag-work sa akin. Iniiwasan ko din yung mga exercise na may talon-talon dahil napapansin ko na medyo may mga tumutunog na sa tuhod natin. And number three, I make sure that I have science-backed supplements, meaning mga quality na supplements, no? Kasi maraming kailangan ng i-maintain na maayos sa ating katawan, gut health natin, kasi in our 40s, hindi ko alam kung napapansin nyo, pero madalas na nagbo-bloat, no? So I make sure I have my probiotics, I have my fiber supplements. Also, yung hormones natin, di may iwasan. Ako, nagkakagulo na. Tingnan mo naman. Ayan, no? Parang teenager lang, may pimple, di ba? So, to manage yung hormones natin, and of course, to make sure that I have good muscle mass. So, I make sure that I have protein shakes, no? Kasi kailangan talagang alagaan ang metabolism natin once na nag-hit na tayo ng 40s. Are you looking for a wellness coach that will guide you proper way to manage your weight na nutrition-based, and hindi kailangan hardcore ang mga exercise, at maganda yung pakiramdam, no cravings, walang gutom? DM me for free consultation.